Everybody, this is Caesar with Small Engine Velocity, and we are at another crossroads. I know I said I wasn't going to keep modding the SV650, but there's just some style parts that I really wanted to do. And this one I ordered it from Motomachines, I believe it is, Motomachines. I'll put a link in the description below where I got it from. It is a piece that I've wanted, just like the undercowling. I wanted to kind of make a little bit of a change on the bike that would kind of give it a little bit more of my personality. So here's what I have right now. Okay, so when I bought this bike, it came with 3 seats. I have this seat, a stock seat, and a gel insert seat that came with it. The stock seat is in the garage, not being used. But this is a Corbin. It's obviously a single-seater seat. It has this slope right here that kind of gives you that sport bike look right here, and you know, those smooth lines that come across the bike. My problem with this seat is that I'm short, so my butt stops here. In order for me to ride and use this whole thing, I have to slide all the way back where I lose my knees on the tank, where I'm actually using to hold onto the tank. It's a beautiful seat. I'm probably gonna get rid of it. So the only problem with it is that on this side there was a small tear, so I put a piece of tape across it, and I mean, it's holding out so far, but I mean, it's a pretty slick style. It looks pretty good. Maybe I'll keep it, maybe I'll use it for whenever I do like short rides or where I want to look cool. But this is what we're doing. We're gonna go ahead and take this off. And we're going to remove this seat and put this seat on. This is a gel insert seat that I had. It has like some Japanese writing on the back. I think the stock one would fit better, but I like this one because it had the gel inserts, and I'm a little bit shorter on this. But this is the ERMAX rear cowl. Now, how does it go on? Simple. All it does is have little slip-ons that grab onto the seat. From here, there's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's it. It's really all there is to it. I managed to get the one that matched the color of my bike, so let's go ahead and put it on and see what it looks like. So after you take the old one off and you put this on, you should be able to put it on just like the original seat. I may try this with the stock seat later on to see if it looks any better, but thought I'd go for some comfort. There you go. Now, that wasn't like a terribly difficult install, but what I like the most is that the colors and the stickers match the colors and the stickers on this. It goes through the center like the other stripe does, all the way down through here, and it looks good. What do you guys think? It's a lot different than it was before, as far as you ask me. Will it stay on? I'm hoping so. I mean, it's pretty much clamped onto the seat, so let me know what you guys think. I don't know why these are here, why they had to have slots right here. And I like the shape. I like that it's pre-painted to match. There you go. It might look different. See how this line comes up right here on this seat and then it disappears and then it comes back out? Kind of gives it that it is a cover look. On the stock seat, it's just a slope and up, so that's not there. So I may try it with the stock seat too, because I do like the way the stock seat feels also. It's better for shorter people like me. So not a lot to it. It's just a simple slip it on and put it on and be happy. I'm gonna try it with the stock seat and see what it looks like. You'll probably see it in some videos. If you see it with this lined seat on it, then you know that I didn't like it. I liked it better with the stock seat. But anyways, it's not a long video, just wanted to share my experience with this. If this is something that you'd like, I'll leave a link below. And go ahead and give me some comments. If you like it, if you don't like it, I really want to know. Although I like it a lot, so it's not going anywhere. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see everybody in the next video.